Hey guys, Abdulbasit here from Carnoroma. We'll be comparing this very close competition. We'll be comparing the Mercedes-Benz C350 and the Lexus IS 350 to see which is a better car. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. The Mercedes-Benz C350 is a German luxury brand from Mercedes-Benz, and the Lexus IS 350 is a Japanese luxury brand from the Lexus family. Let's talk about their engines. The Mercedes-Benz C350 has a 3.5-liter V6 producing 268 horsepower and 258 Nm of torque. Drives the rear wheel by a 7-speed shiftable automatic transmission with paddle shifters. And then the Lexus has a 3.5-liter V6 producing 306 horsepower and 277 Nm of torque. Drives the rear wheels by a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission with paddle shifters. So let's talk about the exterior design. The Mercedes-Benz C350 has a compact, sporty and aggressive look to it. It sits really low to the ground to attain maximum speed and balance. It has a ground clearance of 4.2 inches. This is a really beautiful, sporty, luxury car with a solid quality build. And then the Lexus has a compact, sporty look to it. It sits really low to the ground with a ground clearance of 5.7 inches. It is a really beautiful car with a distinctive look. The Lexus can further be modified by adding aftermarket body kits and tail lamp, headlamp to make it look better. Okay, so now let's talk about the interior. Both cars have really good interior. The interior of the Mercedes, well-built interior, solid build quality at the interior, like really sporty. It has this sporty look to it and just feels very luxurious in the Mercedes-Benz. And the Lexus also has a really good sporty interior, really looks nice, made with top-notch materials. I really love that about the Lexus. You sit really low in this Lexus. Okay, so let's talk the cons on the Mercedes-Benz. If a part in the Mercedes-Benz is faulty, it's really going to be very pricey, very expensive to fix. The hump in the middle makes it very difficult to carry 3 adults. So let's go to the cons of the Lexus IS 350. The material at the cabin, when exposed to too much sunlight, just like the Toyota Camry, it tends to melt and starts to crack, and it looks undesirable. It looks undesirable when that happens. But the only solution you can get to this, if you're thinking of buying an IS 350 or any IS, you need to get this protective mat to keep the dashboard or to keep the cabin in a good condition. Okay, so let me tell you the good things about both cars. Both cars have really smooth engines. They are both fuel efficient. They are both reliable, especially when proper maintenance is taken care of. Okay, so let's talk pricing. If you are getting the Mercedes-Benz at a foreign use, you'll be getting it for 4.25 million naira. And if you are buying the Nigerian use, make sure you check properly and make sure that they are properly serviced before you purchase. You should be able to get the Nigerian use of a Mercedes-Benz for 3.2 million naira, 3.8 million naira. And then the Lexus IS 350, you are getting the Lexus IS 350 at the foreign use. You should be getting it for 3.7 million naira to 4.8 million naira. Then if you are getting the Nigerian use, you should watch out for 2.8 million naira and 3.2 million naira, within that range. Okay, so the competitions to these brands are the BMW 3 Series, the A4 and the Acura TL. Okay, my conclusion on these cars are they are really sporty cars, really luxury cars. If you are looking for a luxury or a sport-oriented 4-door sedan, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class and the Lexus IS are the right options for you here in Nigeria, regardless of what engine you go for. Alright guys, let me know in the comment section down below which car you would rather have. Is it the Mercedes-Benz C-Class or the IS 350? Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you've enjoyed this video just like I have enjoyed making it. Make sure to like, subscribe and turn your notification bell on so you are alerted when we make a new upload.